The secret to earning $30,000 with viral hybrid animal videos is finally out, and it's easier than you think. If you are curious about creating viral animal hybrid videos that can actually earn you big money, I'll walk you through the exact steps to get started. If you've been scrolling through your feed lately, you've probably noticed short videos popping up everywhere, featuring animals combined in the most unexpected ways. It's a trend that's really taken off. I recently came across a channel doing exactly this, and the results were pretty fascinating. These videos are racking up millions of views in no time, and here's the best part. It's easier than you think to create them. In fact, you can whip up your own video in under 10 minutes. In today's video, I'll be showing you exactly how to make one of these viral animal hybrids from start to finish. So, stick around, tap that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more cool tutorials like this. First up, we'll use ChatGPT to generate some image prompts. You'll need two images, one with the original animals facing each other, and the second showing a hybrid creature that combines them both. To begin, open ChatGPT. In the text box, type a clear request for the image you want. For the first image, say you're looking to create a scene with a gorilla and an eagle. You might type something like, "Create a prompt for an image of a gorilla and an eagle facing each other in an alpine forest." When you hit enter, ChatGPT will generate a detailed image prompt. This prompt will likely include colors, background setting, and the animal's positions, giving you a good sense of how they look and interact in the scene. Now, for the second image, we'll need a hybrid of these two animals. To do this, type, "Create a prompt for an image of a hybrid between a gorilla and an eagle, using the same background as before." Keeping the background consistent is key for making your video flow smoothly and keeping viewers engaged. ChatGPT will then provide a description of the hybrid creature. Feel free to tweak these prompts if you have any particular details or features you'd like to add. Once you have both prompts ready, it's time to bring these ideas to life. Next, we'll switch over to Ideogram, a powerful AI tool for transforming these prompts into actual images. This tool is super user-friendly and makes creating images a breeze. Start by copying the first prompt you generated from ChatGPT. This will be for the original scene with the two animals. Open Ideogram in your browser, and you'll see a straightforward interface guiding you through each step. When you're in Ideogram, paste your prompt into the input box. Before generating the image, make sure to pick the right aspect ratio. Since we're creating a video that'll mostly be viewed on mobile, go with the 9:16 aspect ratio. This will ensure your image fits perfectly on platforms like YouTube Shorts, Instagram, or TikTok. In just a few seconds, you'll have your first image. Once you're happy with the first image, it's time to create the second one for the hybrid creature. Follow the same steps and click Generate again. This time, the AI will create an image of a gorilla-eagle hybrid, keeping that same alpine forest background as in the original scene. Finally, be sure to download both images once they're just right. Now, here's where the real fun begins: transforming your images into a video. We'll be using a powerful AI tool called Kling AI, designed to make video creation fast and easy. With just a few clicks, you'll be able to turn your images into an eye-catching video. Start by heading to the Kling AI interface, where you'll see various options. For this project, select the AI Videos option. Next, switch to the Image to Video tab. This feature is perfect for creating videos from images, exactly what we need. Before uploading your images, make sure to enable the Add End Frame option. This will add a smooth ending transition to your video, enhancing the overall viewer experience. Now it's time to upload your two images. Place the original animal image on the left and the hybrid image on the right. This setup helps clearly showcase the transformation. In the prompt box, type a descriptive phrase to guide the AI on what you'd like to see in the video. For example, try something like, "Two animals leap towards each other, colliding mid-air. As they clash, they merge into a hybrid beast." This description gives the AI a clear idea of the action and will shape how the video plays out. Kling AI has two modes, standard and professional. For beginners, standard mode is perfect. Once you're all set, click the Generate button. Keep in mind this will use 10 credits, so if you're short, you might need to purchase more or wait until you have enough balance. Once you hit Generate, sit back and relax for a bit. The AI will process your images, and in just a few minutes, your video will be ready. You'll see the animals merging into one creature as they leap toward each other. If you notice the hybrid doesn't get enough screen time, don't worry, you can easily adjust this. To create a second video focusing more on the hybrid creature, turn off the Add End Frame option. Then, remove the original animal image from the upload area and upload only the hybrid image. This allows the video to spotlight the hybrid creature. In the prompt box, describe the hybrid's movement or action for this video. Click Generate again, and Kling AI will create a new video focusing entirely on the hybrid. If Kling AI takes a bit long to generate, you can either upgrade to the paid version or try alternatives like Luma AI or Hyper AI. Both tools let you upload a starting image and an end frame image, which is key for videos like these. To use Luma AI, search for it on Google and visit their website. Click Try Now and log in with your Google or Apple account. Once logged in, you'll see options to upload images and text. Begin by uploading the images of each animal separately, then upload the hybrid image as the end frame. In the text box, use the same prompt we entered on Kling AI and click Generate. In just a few minutes, Luma AI will create your video. Another great alternative to Kling AI is Hyper AI, a fantastic tool for creating short videos just like this. Head over to the Hyper AI website, log in with your Google account, and from the dashboard, select Image to Video. Then, upload your images and hit Create. In just a few moments, you'll have your hybrid animal video ready to go. Now, you've got two videos. One showing the transformation of the animals into a hybrid, and the other showcasing the hybrid in action. This combo keeps your content fresh and engaging for viewers. With our video clips ready, it's time to put them together using CapCut. This free, beginner-friendly video editor is perfect for adding a professional touch. If you haven't already, download CapCut from their website or app store, then open it up. You'll see a clean, easy-to-navigate interface, ideal for editing. First, let's import our clips. Either click on the Import button or simply drag your clips onto the timeline. The timeline is your main workspace where you arrange and edit your footage. Start by arranging the clips in this order. The first clip where the original animals meet, followed by the transformation, and finally, the solo shot of the hybrid. This sequence helps create a smooth narrative flow that your viewers will enjoy. To keep things dynamic, you might want to speed up the initial part where the animals meet. Click on the clip, find the speed adjustment option, and tweak the speed to your liking. Now, let's add some smooth transitions between the clips. Transitions help one clip blend into the next, giving your video a seamless feel. In CapCut, look for the Transitions option. You'll find effects like fade or slide. Just drag your chosen transition between the clips on the timeline. Next, to make your video even more engaging, we'll add a voiceover using 11 Labs. This tool converts text to speech, which is perfect for narrating your video. Visit the 11 Labs website, click on Text to Speech, and enter your line like, "Let's see a gorilla plus an eagle." Choose a voice. For this example, I'll select Brian. He's got a friendly tone that fits well with our content. Once you've selected your voice, hit Generate. After it processes, download the audio file. After generating your voiceover, import it into CapCut. Click on Import again, select your audio files, and drag them onto the timeline. Align the voiceover with the visuals so they sync perfectly. You may need to adjust the position slightly by moving the audio clips left or right until everything lines up. Finally, let's add some background music. Music sets the tone and makes your video more enjoyable to watch. For this type of content, the Montam Choral music track works beautifully. Alternatively, you can explore YouTube's free music library or websites like Pixabay for royalty-free tracks. Once you find a track that fits, download it and import it into CapCut. After placing the music on the timeline, adjust the volume so it enhances the voiceover rather than overpowering it. To add an extra layer of immersion, consider adding animal sound effects. Find sounds that match the actions of the animals and the hybrid creature and sync them to the video. This touch will make the video feel more lively and engaging for your audience. And there you have it. With your clips arranged, voiceover in sync, and background music set, your video is shaping up into a captivating piece. Pretty awesome, right? In just a few steps, we've created a full hybrid animal video from start to finish. With a little creativity and these simple tools, you'll be making your own viral videos in no time. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.